Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, good morning. As you all know that we are learning about the parts of a circle. In the last class, we have done about the parts of a circle, and I have explained you about all the parts of a circle. Again, we are going to revise it. After revising, I am going to send you the notes on this. You will write it in the notebook. I will send it the classroom. You copy down in your notebooks. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. First, again, I will revise. Then I want any one child can prepare all these parts. Hare, if you want to eat, you please eat before in the break time, not in the class time. And Arush, Vihan, Hiya, Arav, Hapani, please turn on your camera. Jignesh, turn on your camera, please.
Mom, you are saying something.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
After my explanation, any child, 2, 3 students can prepare about what I am explaining about the parts of a circle. Then you have to explain in your way about the parts of a
Ma'am, my
circle
camera
after
is not
this.
working.
Okay, Ayush. Okay, now first we again revise about what is circle. So who will explain me what is circle? Raise your
Excuse
virtual
me,
hand. Yes, Vedi.
can I?
What is circle? Yes, please.
Circle does circle is the shape ha, uh, who has no uh, uh, who has no corner
Hmm.
and it from the center the mark you will point will be the right every side will be the
Okay. So
same.
first my question was what is circle, Pritika?
A circle is a closed shape.
Yes. अक्सर first thing notice always it's a closed shape. ये कहीं से भी open नहीं है. So that is why this shape is a closed shape, right? अगर मैं ऐसे I will make a shape like this. This shape is also a closed shape because it's not an open shape. If I draw a shape like this shape is an open shape because you can see it's open from here.
Ma'am,
So
no shape is open.
yes, no, I have drawn like this. I have closed that shape. So this
No,
is
ma'am,
also
I'm saying that I have noticed that in any shape there is any shape is all shapes are closed. Any
not
shape.
always, not always. They give you some, yeah, many shapes are like a square, closed shape, rectangle, closed shape, right? But sometime beyond this also you get some shapes. So there in the exam if we ask and draw some shapes and we ask we tick which are the closed shape and which are the open shapes. Suppose we give you more, many of the shapes like this, one shape is like this, right? One shape is like this. So if I tell you out of these two shapes, find out these are irregular shapes. These are not regular shapes, right? These are irregular shapes, and out of these irregular shape, you can say this is the open and this is the closed shape. This is the open shape. This way, circle is also a closed shape, and it has no corners, no edges. Got it, everyone? The way you get the corners in your, this is the corners, sides,
Ma'am, in
the
open
square.
shape we can make our own any shape.
Yes, irregular. When it is irregular word is used, then it can be of any कैसी भी हो सकती है, right? But it is a regular. Regular shape means sides and angles should be same. For example, in a square, if this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. Because the property of square is all the sides should be equal. That is why it's a regular shape. All sides are same, all angles are same. When you learn about the angle, this is a 90-degree angle. So all angles are also same. That's why this shape is the regular shape. So now come back to the circle again. Circle is a closed shape, no edges, no corners. Go to the center of a circle now. What is the center? A point from which the distance to the boundary of the circle will be same from any side. ऐसा point जहां से distance जो है boundary पर same होगा. For example, if we talk about the center here, what is the center here in this figure? O is the center of the circle. Origin point. Yes, starting point. That's why I marked the center as a O. So from O to A, if you see the distance, and from O to E also, if you see the distance will be same.
Equal.
From the center, the distance to the boundary of the circle will be same. That is the center. यहाँ पर आप center नहीं बना सकते.
No, ma'am. Then lines will be.
Then the जो distance है यहाँ से boundary तक का distance जो है वो आपका अलग अलग आएगा.
Yes.
So the center is the point from where the distance to the boundary of the circle will be same. Got it, everyone? Now come to the radius. A radius is a line segment.
Ma'am, center.
Let me explain you. A radius is a line segment. Line segment, you know, both the end points fixed. Line segment is having starting point also and ending point also. So we can say radius is a line segment, starts from the center of the circle and ends to the boundary of a circle. Any boundary. यहाँ पे point बना दोगे तो center से यहाँ तक का point भी radius ही है. From the center, a point to the radius, a point to the circumference of a circle or a boundary of a circle is known as the radius. For example, this is 4 centimeter, then this will also be the 4 centimeter radius. From the center, point to the boundary of a circle will be same, having a same radius. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Ma'am, a circle can have two diameter.
Yes.
Yes, it can be. I will come to on that also. Okay. Chord. What is chord? No, after radius we will go to see the diameter. What is diameter? A line segment passes from the center of a circle, touches the boundary of a circle. Okay. A line segment passes from the center of the circle, touches the boundary of the circle, and I extend this radius, it will be the diameter. In the short form, the diameter is D. And the short form of the radius is R. Now, have you noticed here one thing? Diameter is double of the radius. For example, the radius is 4 centimeter. What will be the diameter, students?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter.
Like Kritika told, if the radius is 2 centimeter, what will be the diameter?
4
centimeter.
4 centimeter. If the radius is 2 centimeter, the diameter will be 4 centimeter. If the radius is 1 centimeter, what will be the diameter?
2 centimeter.
If I am seeing this radius, if I say this radius is 6 centimeter, what will be the diameter?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter.
Some radius is half and diameter
Is full. Yes. So when you find the diameter from the given radius, I will tell you what you have to do. And from the given diameter, if you find the radius, then also I will tell you what to do. Suppose if the diameter is given to you, radius is not given. Suppose in this circle, I am telling you the diameter equals to 12 centimeter. What will be the radius?
Ma'am, we have to
24.
We have to
the
do
12
half.
half is 6.
So the radius will be 6 centimeter. Very good. Now children, practically so we have done how to find the radius and the diameter. But I will tell you there are formulas also to find the radius and the diameter with the given unit. Now what is chord? Chord is also a line segment whose both the ends are on the boundary of a circle. For example, F, G. This is the chord of a circle, FG. That is the last class I have explained you that diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Why? Yes, Mohammed, you know this?
Ma'am, I can, sir.
Diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be
Ma'am,
a
can I
diameter.
say?
Ma'am,
Can I
because
say?
of the
Be
Ma'am,
quiet. If
Ma'am,
you speak
Mohammed
on,
is.
Mohammed is giving the answer?
No,
No?
ma'am.
Oh, yes, Shivani?
And because diameter passes the center and chord doesn't pass the center.
Yes. See, the difference is between the diameter and the chord is diameter always pass from the center of the circle. But chord cannot pass from the center of the circle. How diameter can be a chord? Because the property of a chord is that both the endpoints touching the boundary of a circle. So diameter is fulfilling this point,
Ma'am,
right?
see, this is chord.
So this is the
Ma'am, this
longest
is
chord.
chord.
Yes.
And diameter is the longest chord.
Yes, diameter is the longest chord. So again, I repeat, Mohammed, please note here, those who don't know why the diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter, because the diameter is passing from the center of the circle. So here, if you see, this is also a diameter. This B point I'll give, and this is also a diameter, which is a DE. But this is a chord because the endpoints are on the boundary of the circle, but it is not passing from the center of the circle. Now, what is circumference? The boundary of a circle is the circumference, or the perimeter of a circle is the circumference of a circle. Got it, everyone? Are you all clear? Can anyone explain me all the points together? If you can, raise your virtual hand. Yes, Dwani. I want the other students also to take a participation in this. Yes, Dwani, please explain.
Yeah, ma'am, we have from which I have to explain
Explain all what we have covered.
all. Okay.
Yes.
The center part is the e- the center part is that equal partition of the circle. Radius is the half of half. Uh, Radius is a line that cover the
It's
half
not a line, it's a line segment. I have explained you the difference between a line also and a line segment also.
line. Radius is a line segment that if we put it on the circle, we will have the half of the part, and if center would be not there, so if we put instead of there, we will put the starting. Uh,
No, I will move to the next child, Kritika.
center is the circle of center that we can measure equally. Radius is the center to the uh, circle border. It called a radius. Diameter.
Radius is a line segment join the center, and the other point is on the boundary of a circle.
Circle. Diameter
Diameter
is double of the radius. Chord
and is a line segment.
segment. It is
Diameter is a line segment
diameter is the line segment.
whose both the
So
endpoints are
both
like
the
on
end
the
of the it has both the end equally.
both the endpoints are on the circumference of a circle. Both the ends are on the circumference of a circle. चाहे ये वाला diameter देख लो, both the endpoints are on the circumference. If you see this diameter, both the endpoints are on the circumference of a circle. Got it about the diameter? Yes, you explain, Jignesh.
Yes, ma'am. A center is between a circle. This is the center. Radius is a line segment. It is a half of a diameter. Diameter is the double of a radius. It only passes through the center of the circle.
chord cannot pass through the center of the circle. The longest chord is diameter,
What is
and
circumference?
circumference is the boundary of the circle.
Okay. Now I will draw some circles here. Suppose I have drawn some different sizes of circles on my board, right? And see, from the center, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius in this circle, and this is the radius in this circle. So what have you noticed here? What have you noticed here?
Ma'am, the radius is
Ma'am,
different.
can I?
Okay, yeah, yes, Arush.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Vedi. Yes, Arush, what have you noticed here?
All radius are same only.
Ah, same?
Um,
No, ma'am, there are
No, ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Mohammed.
ma'am, ma'am, I was there.
When I'm asking from a
Line short.
child, be quiet.
Long short. Line segment and
Okay.
long short.
Line segment but long shot. Okay. If I say this is a wheel of 2 centimeter. Okay, not two. Go to the 3 centimeter. Suppose.
Ma'am,
Then wait a minute, Vedi. 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. Suppose. Now, Vedi, what are you saying?
ma'am, I have a doubt in this. I can't understand.
I'm explaining that only, no? I have just told to observe the picture and tell me what have you observing here? What are you observing here?
The radius are long and short.
Yes,
There
there
is
are
a
different sizes of radius are given, right? Along with the different radius, what you would see that the bigger the radius, the bigger the circle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
जितना बड़ा रेडियस होगा उतना ही बड़ा सर्कल होगा. Am I right? If the radius is 1 centimeter, you can see radius 1 centimeter से जब मैंने circle बनाया, so your circle is this much small. If the radius is 3 centimeter, circle is this much. If the radius is 5 centimeter, circle is getting bigger and bigger. So the bigger the radius, as bigger is the circle. जितना बड़ा रेडियस होगा उतने ही बड़ा सर्कल बनेगा आपका. सपोज एंड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर यू ड्रॉ द सर्कल विद द रेडियस ओनली. ड्रॉ सर्कल विद द रेडियस ओनली. ये काम कहाँ आएगा? When the teacher asks from you,
Well,
right? Yes.
if the circle is of 5 centimeter, if the radius is of 5 centimeter, then the circle would be of 10 centimeter.
Circle or the diameter?
Diameter.
Yes. So always remember, for example, if you see this in my hand, the button, तो इसका रेडियस और इसका रेडियस, there will be a much difference. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
In this also circle you can see
Yes.
comparatively, okay,
Long and short, ma'am.
Ma'am, long.
Long and
small and big, you can say long and short will be come in the lengthwise and the this one. So this you can say small.
hello, ma'am. Small and big.
This is a small circle, this is big circle. Wait a minute, Jignesh, I will come to you. So the radius of which circle will be greater?
Ma'am, sellotape.
Sellotape. And the circle will be, which circle will be bigger than the sellotape, because the radius is bigger. So as much as the radius, the circle will be same, comparatively bigger than that. Yes, Jignesh.
Then this is sharpener is small than this sellotape.
Yes. No, I think sellotape is okay.
Then if we compare like this, that
Yes.
sellotape is coming out.
Okay.
That's also.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Please
this
show.
circle is bigger and this circle is smaller.
So can I tell you
Ma'am,
why?
can you see
Because when you draw this circle and when you cut it, your small circle is having a less radius compared to the bigger circle, right?
Ma'am, see,
Yes.
this sequence box is smaller than that magnet
Why?
balls box.
But can you tell me why?
Yes, ma'am, because the radius will
Is
come
smaller.
less.
या जितना अगर रेडियस कम है तो सर्कल भी छोटा ही बनेगा, रेडियस बड़ा है तो सर्कल भी बड़ा ही बनेगा, बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज ड्रॉ द सर्कल विद द गिवन रेडियस. Now suppose in your exams it will come draw a, wait a minute, let me take a attendance. Now suppose in your exam it is coming that draw a circle, because we ask also from the students to draw a circle also. So suppose the question is draw a circle of diameter 6 centimeter. So we never draw a circle with the given diameter. कभी भी diameter से circle नहीं बनता. First of all, you find the radius of a circle. So what will be the radius?
3 centimeter.
Radius is 3 centimeter. Now, what you will do, we will learn in the next classes that how to draw a circle with the given radius with the protractor. That we learn in the higher grade, not in the next classes. So now you know that never we draw a circle with the given diameter. We first have to find the radius, then we only able to draw the circle. Are you all clear? Yes, Aravapani. If I say the diameter is 8 centimeter and draw a circle, will you able to draw a circle with the diameter, Arav?
No, ma'am.
So what we have to do first?
First, we have to find radius.
Radius will be what? If the diameter is 8 centimeter?
5.
If the diameter is 8, radius will be 5?
Ma'am, can I? 3.5.
No?
No, ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter.
4.
I thought 7 is
Half
the
of 8 is 4. Got it?
I thought 7 is the radius.
And yes,
Ma'am,
Jignesh, you are showing here?
Ma'am, see, here
Yes.
we have to see the radius is 3 centimeters. So I will put the point in and at 0 and cancel at
Cancel all
3.
this.
Then I
Yes.
will make a circle.
Yeah, that we will learn in the next coming classes, how to draw a circle with the protractor.
Then for the radius, we have to only find the half of the diameter.
Ma'am,
Yes.
see,
So we will get the
then the
radius.
circle is
Very good. Let me pin you. Show us. Yes. So that we will learn in the next coming classes. Now, I want to show you one worksheet, and I want to ask you all that please tell which is the chord, which is the diameter, which is the center of the circle. Because today you have to recall about the parts of a circle.
Ma'am, will you send the notes of this chapter?
Yes, I will send. See, I have this. In this, what is the center of the circle, Dhwani? First one.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the center of the circle?
Center of the circle is
कौन सा नाम दोगे आप? यहाँ पे सेंटर दिया हुआ है.
center of the circle. We can give any.
No, it's given already.
R.
By looking at this picture, what is the center of the circle? Where is this?
R.
R. So you write only the letter R is the center of the circle. Now next, Arabhapani. First you tell me how many radius are there in this first picture. Arabhapani. Am I audible, right? Arav, how many radius are in this? He's not giving the answer. Yes, Astha. Astha, how many radius?
3 radius.
3 radius. Can you name them, Astha? Astha, can you name them? Which 3 radius? Yeah, please, I'm going to show.
Present.
Yeah, now tell.
Yes, ma'am. P R.
No, you say P. PR एक साथ लिखोगे आप. PR is 1 radius. Next radius is
R O.
RQ. It is Q.
Q.
RQ.
And
And the
third
third radius is
and R and S.
R and S नहीं RS. So you will write PR, comma, RQ, comma, RS. There are 3 radius in this. Everyone is clear?
Yes.
Dheer will tell me which is the diameter. How many Dheer, how many diameter is in this?
Ma'am, is this? Ma'am, in first one.
First one. How many diameters? Dheer, why you not answering? Mohammed, how many diameters in this? Mohammed Momin?
Ma'am, can I write the answer in the chat box?
No, because when I present the screen, I am not able to see. Mohammed?
Ma'am, I want to see the photo and
Yes. How many diameters in the first one?
AB.
AB तो नाम दिया हुआ ही नहीं है. जो नेम है वही नेम बोलोगे आप. Is the screen clearly visible, right?
Yes, ma'am, there is AB also. A, B, C, D.
No, beta, AB है नहीं इसके अंदर. First
Ma'am,
picture
see
I am
the
talking
second
about.
one. There is
I'm saying the first one only.
the first one.
अभी आप first के parts बताओगे, then you go to the second, then you go to the third one.
PR.
A?
PR.
No, PR will be only the radius. We are talking about the diameter.
QR.
No, QR is also the another radius.
PQ.
Yes, PQ पूरी जो line है, that will be the radius. Got it? So there is only one radius. Sorry,
One diameter.
one diameter only.
Then can I give
Go to the next one, Jignesh. What is the center here in the second picture?
There is C. C is the center, one
C.
center, and
But
one
after
radius.
wait, next me ask from the another student. Next question. Yes, as Jignesh told us that C is the center. Vedi, how many radius in this in the second picture?
One radius AB.
AB is a radius entire.
No. One radius CD.
Only one radius is in this?
No, three are
Yes,
there.
there are three radius. Can you name them?
CD, CB, CA.
Okay, very good. You can either write AC, CD, and CB also. From the center, if you take the pointer to the touching to the boundary, will be your radius. So there
No,
are
we have to
three
just
radius.
write. We have to just write how many we have to just write radius. No.
How many radius and name them also.
Okay.
Then it's a
Like
we'll
we have
talk
to
about
write.
the diameter. Shivani,
Like radius, we have to like AC, CB, and CD.
yes.
Ma'am,
Shivani, how many diameter in this?
one diameter.
Can you name it?
AB.
Yes. Krishav, Krishav is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Krishav. What is the center here in this picture?
Ma'am, the presentation is now blurred. No,
It's a letter L in the center. This is the
yeah,
center.
it
So
is
L.
blurred.
Okay. It is blur, then you have to tell me in the beginning only, bacha.
Ma'am, it is now blurred. It was not blurred.
No, ma'am, it was not blurred.
I will present you the next worksheet. No problem. Wait.
Ma'am, and this worksheet. Ma'am, will you send the? And this worksheet is homework of today.
Not this one, which I am showing you right now. It will be a homework.
Ma'am, will you send the notes of it? The
Dhwani,
chapter.
this is third time you are asking from me. I will send, bacha. Okay. Now this will be a worksheet, which is today's worksheet, which we are discussing right now. Krishav, now this is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
In the first figure, tell me which is the center of the circle?
Oh.
O. Which are the radius of the circle? Which are the radius? How many radius are in this circle?
Ma'am, one.
Only one radius?
No, ma'am, two.
Two. From which to which and from where to where?
Ma'am, to N to N.
M to N is the complete diameter. Why you don't children understood? A line passing from the center of the circle, touching both the boundaries of the circle. Radius जो है उसको एक ही बाउंड्री टच करती है, एक ही पॉइंटर बाउंड्री पे होता है रेडियस का, और दूसरा पॉइंटर सेंटर में होता है. तो सेंटर से बाउंड्री पे टच करने वाला रेडियस एंड बाउंड्री टू बाउंड्री टच करने वाला विल बी योर डायमीटर. Got it? So now tell me how many radius are in this?
Three.
There are two radius. One is from M to O, another is from O to N.
Two.
Got it? Two radius. And how many diameter in this?
One.
One diameter from M to N. Complete line. That is your diameter. Go to the next one. O to D. O to D is the radius. A to B is what? A to B is what? क्या है students?
Diameter.
Diameter. And what is O?
Center.
Center.
Center part.
Now this is also the third figure. Center is O. Radius are, how many radiuses are there in this?
Three radius.
Three radius.
O to A, O to B, and O to P. How many diameter in this?
One.
One diameter.
One
cord and one cord.
And one chord. What is the name of the chord in this?
C and D.
If you use C and D, your answer will be wrong. Say CD.
CD.
Ma'am, open that worksheet. I want to show you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in that radius dash or dash, like we have to write two.
If they are asking two, write two only.
And there are three radius are there, so we have
So
to write
put the
three or two.
comma. See, put the comma. You can write third also.
Ma'am, I have to do this in the worksheet only or in the notebook?
In the worksheet only. I will send you this worksheet. This will be a homework today. So we have learned about the parts of the circle and revise. Okay, students. Thank you. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.